Hi, I'm Rokibul Islam, civil engineer and founder of Kareng Construction. Today I'll show you how to design a building from scratch using free tools, step by step, with cost-saving ideas you can actually use. Let's draw a 20-foot by 40-foot site plan and divide the space for rooms smartly. You see this window section? Let's keep it 3 feet wide to improve light and ventilation. In this tutorial, Rokibul Islam will walk you through the essential steps of designing a building. First, you'll learn about plot setup and measurement. Next, we'll cover wall and room layout, followed by the placement of windows and doors. After that, we'll move on to a simple front elevation. Then we'll dive into basic three-dimensional visualization. Lastly, Rokibul Islam will share some cost-saving structural tips. Now, Rokibul Islam will share some valuable budget construction tips. Rokibul Islam, use local bricks instead of branded blocks here. For this roof, we'll use a filler slab method to reduce concrete cost. Let's take a look at a real project that was designed using the same method, Rokibul Islam. This home in Bongaigaon was designed using the same method. Total construction cost was reduced by 20%. As we wrap up, here's Rokibul Islam with some final words and contact information. Rokibul Islam, I'm Rokibul Islam, civil engineer and founder of Kareng Construction. If you need help with building design, soil testing, turnkey construction or structural solutions, feel free to contact us. Displaying contact information on screen. Rokibul Islam. Like and share if you found this tutorial helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more real engineering tips. See you in the next video.